Welcome back to Spy Garage.
With its seamless fusion of elegant form, cutting-edge engineering, and plush comfort, the 2026 Chausson Titanium Premium Motorhome marks a substantial advancement in the market for luxury recreational vehicles. The Titanium Premium, a flagship model in the Chausson collection, is expected to have state-of-the-art materials, creative spatial solutions, and a painstaking attention to detail, satisfying the needs of discriminating tourists who want their mobile living spaces to be both refined and perform. It is anticipated that the 2026 Chausson Titanium Premium's exterior will radiate a modern elegance, distinguished by aerodynamic profile, streamlined lines, and high-end finishes. The incorporation of premium composite materials, possibly with titanium accents as a nod to its name, would improve handling and fuel efficiency by reducing total weight and maintaining structural integrity. In order to maximize natural light infiltration and provide residents with immersive views of the surrounding countryside, expansive panoramic windows are anticipated to be prominently featured. Carefully planned external storage options that blend in with the bodywork would offer plenty of room for tools and possessions while preserving the vehicle's sleek appearance. The inside of the 2026 Chausson Titanium Premium is intended to be a haven of luxury and cutting-edge technology. Open-plan living would probably be given priority in the design, encouraging a feeling of roominess and flow between various areas. Ergonomic seating and sleeping rooms would be adorned with luxurious upholstery made from premium leathers and textiles. Modern appliances, possibly with soft close mechanisms and clever storage options, would be easily incorporated into the culinary area's exquisitely designed cabinetry. The sleeping area would be planned with changeable lighting, high-quality beds, and lots of ventilation in mind for the best possible rest and relaxation. The 2026 Chausson Titanium Premium is anticipated to be distinguished by its technological integration. Lighting, climate control, entertainment, and other elements of the living space would probably be managed by a complete smart home system. The demands of the contemporary traveler would be met by advanced connectivity technologies including integrated navigation systems and high-speed internet access. Including strong security features and cutting-edge driver assistance technologies would also prioritize safety and security. The 2026 Chausson Titanium Premium's chassis would be chosen to provide rapid handling in addition to a stable and comfortable ride. For long-distance travel, a strong, effective engine that complies with the most recent pollution regulations would offer sufficient performance. Driving would be safer and more comfortable with improved suspension and cutting-edge braking systems. To sum up, the Chausson Titanium Premium Motorhome for 2026 is set to be the market's highest level of luxury and innovation. Its expected combination of high-end materials, cutting-edge technology, intelligent design, and sturdy engineering would satisfy those looking for a luxurious and remarkable mobile living experience, establishing a new standard for luxury motorhome travel.